Washington, AP. President Donald Trump's administration is asking the Supreme Court to uphold his controversial Birthright Citizenship order, which would declare that children born to parents who are in the United States illegally or temporarily are not American citizens. This appeal, shared with the Associated Press on Saturday, sets in motion a high-stakes legal battle that could determine whether these citizenship restrictions are constitutional by early summer. The ruling will hinge on whether the justices see the law as protecting the nation's core values or undermining its sovereignty. But here's where it gets controversial. While lower courts have blocked the order from taking effect anywhere, the Republican administration is not asking the court to delay its enforcement until a final ruling. The Justice Department's petition, shared with lawyers challenging the order, remains unfiled at the Supreme Court. Any decision to take up the case may take months, with arguments likely not occurring until late winter or early spring. Solicitor General D. John Sauer criticized the lower court's decisions, calling them a dangerous precedent that undermines the president's border security strategy. He argued that the rulings grant unlawful privileges to thousands of unqualified individuals, stripping them of American citizenship without proper justification. This executive order is illegal, full stop, said Cody Wofsy, an ACLU lawyer representing children affected by the rule. We will continue to fight to ensure no child citizenship is ever stripped away by this cruel and senseless order. The executive order, signed on the first day of Trump's second term, overturns 125 years of constitutional law. It redefines birthright citizenship, effectively banning children born to undocumented mothers from being U.S. citizens. The 14th Amendment, ratified after the Civil War, originally guaranteed citizenship to all children born on American soil, with narrow exceptions for diplomats' children and those born to foreign forces. Lower courts have repeatedly struck down the order as unconstitutional, even after a Supreme Court ruling in June that limited the use of nationwide injunctions. While the court curbed the power of injunctions, it did not rule out other court orders that could have nationwide effects, such as class action lawsuits or state-level challenges. The justices haven't yet decided whether the underlying citizenship order itself is constitutional. Every lower court that examined the issue concluded Trump's order violates the 14th Amendment, which was designed to protect Black Americans, including former slaves, from being denied citizenship. The administration argues that children of non-citizens are subject to the jurisdiction of the U.S., meaning they shouldn't be entitled to citizenship. The administration is appealing two cases, one from the Ninth Circuit in San Francisco and another from a New Hampshire federal judge. In July, the Ninth Circuit ruled that states suing over the order needed a nationwide injunction to prevent conflicts in states where birthright citizenship would apply differently. Meanwhile, a New Hampshire judge blocked the order in a class action lawsuit involving all affected children. Birthright citizenship, long a cornerstone of American law, automatically grants U.S. citizenship to anyone born in the country, including children of undocumented mothers. This principle was enshrined in the 14th Amendment's first sentence, nearly 150 years ago. The administration claims that children of non-citizens aren't subject to the jurisdiction of the U.S., but critics argue this interpretation ignores the Constitution's intent to protect all citizens, regardless of their parent status. The Supreme Court's recent ruling on injunctions left open the possibility of other legal challenges, including lawsuits that could reshape the nation's legal framework. As the debate continues, the question remains, will the court uphold the president's plan to redefine birthright citizenship, or will it safeguard the constitutional rights of every child born in America?